Hi everybody, so for today's trade of the day we're going to take a look at the US dollar against the Swiss franc. So it's been actually a really nice day on this market. A lot of strong trends on a lot of those other markets, actually very much a day for what we call the continuation strategy today, but notwithstanding some great snipers on dollar Swiss. Very unusual to get three snipers on one market in a day, I would say, to be honest with you, but today here we are, dollar Swiss there, 89.57 there, getting that original entry. So what are we looking for that sniper to give the trade? Well, it's exactly what we can see on the chart here. So trend signal below 25 turned from red to green, the sniper there at 7:15, then eventually the vector average at 7:45, close of that bar, that gives us our potential entry for a buy. So 89.57 would be looking to go long and be looking for really about 20 points there on that trade. So as the market moves forward, we start to see really the market moving aggressively higher over the first couple of hours, and very much a textbook opportunity there. As we move forward later on in the day at 10:15, we actually start to see some sellers start to come into the market, and those indicators actually start to turn back from green to red. Remember, trend signals indicators are very visual in that regard, so as long as you're not red-green colorblind, you should be all right really to identify those color changes from green to red there. Vector average, the trend signal line, the sniper circle, all from green to red, to identify that short there from 89.71. Again, we're looking for about a 20-point move. Had to wait for this one. How often do we see this? We get into the trade and all of a sudden it moves against us immediately. But the point is about whether it gets to your target before it hits your stop loss. And in this case, we had a little bit of a spook here, but we're still 2 or 3 points away from our stop. And eventually, the market comes down, gathers some speed, moves down to that 51 area there to move through our target and actually again give us our second profit for the day on the US dollar against the Swiss franc. As we move through to the latter part of the day, we start to see that the trend signal is moving down very low again. We start to build that picture for a potential opportunity to buy. 89.70 is our final trade on dollar Swiss, so that third sniper for the day on dollar Swiss, 89.70 there. And again, looking for about a 20-point move from 345. Incidentally, whilst I say this is good for people who are not red-green colorblind, we can of course change the indicators to whatever you want to. So yellow or blue, whatever colors you might like. But there's our next entry, 89.70. Very clear, very easy to identify. Absolutely candy from a baby. Market moving up from 89.70 and moves up to 30 points higher inside at 45 minutes. 3 trades, 3 20-point winners. That's 60 points. Thank you very much, dollar Swiss.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.